for someone to save. I wanna tell you something new. You drive me, I contemplate for a while.
Hey, yo, what up? Kipto here. Today we're doing your character drawing requests that you ordered from my website. You had a drop-down menu. You could pick all these different options like the subject, the character, what they do, what the prop is, and a color. And I can tell you guys had a lot of fun with these, but I am like way behind and I have a super long list to go. So the best way to motivate myself is to set like a gnarly time limit. It's got nothing to do with trying to get views. So today I'm gonna be drawing for 127 hours straight. Get this freaking rock off of me. Well, this sucks. Okay, more like 24 hours. But first, I'm gonna need some inspiración and some money so I can buy a couch for my new house. So far, all I have is this beanbag chair.
Raid Shadow Legends is the biggest community in mobile gaming. Stellar graphics, hundreds of dynamic characters, and epic gameplay that is unmatched. These epic champions pump me up to design my own every time. Massive active community is what keeps me coming back for more. Listen to the over 25 million downloads, nearly 2 billion PvP battles have already been fought, and nearly 1,000 videos are posted on YouTube every week about Raid. And there's over 1 million players every single day. Guess you could say community's hotter than this freaking roof right now. And there's already huge Twitch, Reddit, and Discord communities. And they've just extended the daily login rewards up to 270 days, with free champions available just for playing every day. So download the game via the link in my description and you'll immediately get 100,000 silver, 3 ancient shards, 1 energy refill, and this guy, the execution. You'll find your rewards in your inbox for the next 30 days only. So thanks Raid for inspiring my drawings and helping me get a couch. Now, let's draw.
Alright, it's 9 a.m. Time to kick it off. I'm going to be using Procreate on my iPad Pro. I have a list of 10 character orders that I have to get through within these 24 hours. First up is a Kraken Astronaut with a spray can in purple. I feel like I'm taking a bit of inspiration from Earthworm Jim here. Now that I got my values in place, I'm gonna set this layer mode to color and pop that purple right in there. Add a touch of orange for a bit of color contrast. Sponge in some atmosphere on the bottom, and boom, we got our first character. But I won't reveal the final pieces until the end of the episode, so make sure to stick around. Next up, we got a guy that wants me to reinvent his alter ego like an angry puppy. I'm not sure what colors he wanted, but going with like a peachy orange here. I'm not too sure how I feel about this one. A sexy, exotic dancer Kraken. How do I make a Kraken sexy? Bubble butt, bubble butt, Kraken. I think I actually figured it out. Give her a little kind of like a Medusa style here. Nice. Sexy. It's almost already 2 p.m. and time is flying by, but now we got an issue right here. I'm gonna do a bit of stretching while my pencil charges up here. Hopefully the iPad doesn't die beforehand. Uh-oh, it's cutting it close over here. Yeah, it's 73 for the Apple Pencil and 2% for the iPad. You can do it, cutting it real close. 1%, 79%. How are you supposed to charge these things at the same time, Apple? What the hell? Okay, I think I'm gonna have to pull the plug. Let's get to 80. Can we make it to 80%? Ooh, 82. All right, I'm pulling it. Okay, we're back in business. That was close. Take care of me, I'll take care of you. Let's do it. Alright, next up we got a wolf that's a very wealthy and successful stock trader. He's always in a clean business suit, but you can tell how badass he is just by looking at his face. Per the request of my customer. Well, you've come to the right place, sir. Badass is what I do and what I do best. Okay, this has got to be the last of the Krakens, hopefully. We're doing a Kraken sheriff. There's a new sheriff in town. The old wise Kraken, always cracking jokes and smoking his big old fat cigars. I'm on a roll, baby. I'm on a roll. Gotta stretch out these freaking legs. Jazzed up. Let's keep going, baby. Had a bit of trouble coming up with a pose for this guy, but I finally landed on this one that I really like. This one is for Andrew, who actually ordered this for his 4-year-old son. I'm pretty pumped to be able to make this for him. And this is the same guy ordering this for his other 2-year-old daughter. She wants a cool pink Gladiator bunny rabbit.
To win you over and over, yeah. You can hear my voice in your head, and you wanna hear it again. So
Alright, so we got about 6 or 7 done so far. It's about 3:30 in the morning. And I can't even tell if these are good anymore. I'm like in autopilot. Hopefully everyone who gets these enjoys them, but I'm kind of like trying to figure out if these are even like up to par. I think so. Just gotta keep cruising, going through. I kind of had like a bit of a lull there around 11 o'clock midnight, but I got a little second wind going with me, and I'm ready to tackle the rest of these. What do we got next? We got a wolf warrior with an axe. Oof, hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Pushing past 5 a.m. Gotta keep the train rolling. Next up, we got a Monkey King with a gold staff. I think he's referring to Sun Wukong. Wow, this sunrise is freaking amazing. I've done one of these in a previous episode and it was really fun, so I'm pumped to try something a little bit different with this same character.
Drive away into the night, and I contemplate for a while.
Alright, it's 7:44 in the morning. I got one more to go, a shark human from Kevin, the last digital character drawing. I can feel my eyelids trying to close, but we're gonna power through this bad boy and make this the best shark human you ever seen. Let's roll. Running dry on ideas here. Can't find a cool pose. I finally landed on this pose as the shark grabs his epic saber to lift himself back up amongst his heavy armor. Oh, we did it. All right, there we go. A little over 24 hours. Thank you guys so much for your creative suggestions. I hope I did them all justice. So here's the final reveal of all 10 digital drawings. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. I'm gonna go take a nap. I still have a whole bunch of traditional drawings to go. I'm not going to be filming all of those, but I'm going to be filming them intermittently and kind of creating a couple cool episodes in between as I go along. So thanks for your patience, and yours will be coming up very soon. If you guys would like to see more in-depth process videos, real-time breakdowns with commentary, question and answers every month, come check out my Patreon. We have a real cool community getting built over there. If you want to pick up some merch, I got prints, t-shirts, sticker packs, all available at Kipto.com. Tons more videos on the way. Keep feeding that kinetic imagination, and thanks for watching.